put a header on my go-kart. Put this camshaft on there. Maybe. Found the Edelbrock Performer too. Maybe not. I'm in a scrap yard. A mountain of scrap over there. I'm trying to find some scrap metal to build my first go-kart. My guy told me used to look around. So they sent me to the back. I'm looking around. All these piles of metal. Oh, there's a pair of headers over there. Huh. This is like engine parts. Right here. He said there was a go-kart somebody brought a couple days ago. There's some pieces of metal. Oh! Damn. Can maybe do that. Yeah, there's a lot of scrapping right here in this one little section. Pretty cool place. I can find what I need. Yep. Shaft on there. Maybe. I don't know. Hey, you never know. Alright. Hey, here's one right here. One right there. Might be able to use it though. I think I can find all the pipe I need right here. Some more down in here. That one in there. Might get that camshaft. So if I don't forget it. It's like a short little cam. Short little camshaft. These tires are heavy, they're stuck. Freaking wheel. All right. Stronger than a square, they say. Work. One more right there. I'm gonna buy something that I might use. Build two go-karts. All right. be enough. I think. And I got some more over here. Pretty good pile of steel. And I'm gonna use this as like a seat or a roll bar, I guess. Yep. Cool. Look at this place. I'm gonna go look, take one more look. He said there was a couple of go-karts that were already here, but they might have sold them. He thought. All right, folks. Found the Edelbrock Performer too, right there. Right there. Performer. I'm not gonna bring it home. They got all kinds of stuff out here. Here's an exhaust. I could put this somewhere on it. There you go. Put that on my Mini Cooper. Alright. Check it out. I can mount it on the go-kart somewhere. Yep. Got some more pipe over here. Pipe from the 1970s. Yep. That's what it looks like. Yeah, that might work. You got that stereo maxed out over there. Alright, people. I think I've got what I need. You guys have a great one.
No, it's recording. That's a fish island.
Is it really?
Yeah, no, put your mouth into it.
Yo! Got gloop on it.
Yeah, gloop. Got gloop on it.